Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Sierra 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, rear step bumper, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.